Guys, what's up? Welcome to another video episode of Shout Me Loud. I'm your host Harsh Agrawal, and in this video you're going to learn how you can delete a website from Kinsta. And before I show you that, let me show you why I am doing that and my strategy behind it. So many of you might know that I've been using Kinsta hosting from last 5 years, and I've been paying a pretty significant amount to host all my website. And honestly, I love Kinsta because they have been managing my website well, and I don't have to worry about my website uptime or my website going down, especially when I'm traveling or I'm away from my system. And this has been a joyride with Kinsta. But lately they have increased their pricing and now they are becoming way more expensive. I think I started with some business 1 or business 2 plan, but now I'm on business 4 plan. Now the biggest difference between business 4 and business 3 plan is the number of visits that you can get in a month. Now when I was checking my analytics, I could see that I get almost 439k visits a month, which is little higher than what is allowed in my business 3 plan, that is 400k. Now this is where I decided what I'll do is I have this some website that I'm not really operating and they were just added over the time. So I'll simply delete them, and some of the websites which are not very profitable website for me, I'll move them to this hosting called Host Armada. And the reason I'm moving it to Host Armada and not Bluehost is because they're offering free website transfer. So if I pick the top plan, the top shared hosting plan, which will cost me about less than $200 for 3 years, I can move at least 5 of my website. I can just simply ask them to move my website and that will take care of my website. And hopefully by doing this I can lower down my website monthly visit to 400k. Of course, the more visit is better, and of course if the visits increases I can pay overage charges, that is about $1 per 1,000 visits, or I can simply upgrade to business 4. But for now this is what I've decided. So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can delete your website on Kinsta. So very first thing, you go to the website that you want to delete. So for example, let's say you want to delete this website, Crypto Trading Nation. You go here and under the info you see this option called delete site. Simply click on delete site. You can copy paste this text, or you can simply type it and click on delete site, and that's it. Now this will take few seconds for this site to be deleted, and that's it. The website will be deleted. So simply I'll delete this another website that I don't need this. So these are some of the experimental website I keep creating just to try out new things. And here we go. Perfect. So this website is also gone. And now once this is done, I can sign up for an account on Host Armada, and then I can create a request to move my website from Kinsta to Host Armada, or if you're using any other hosting, you can do that. Now this is a simple strategy you can do to optimize your yearly billing for hosting, and especially if you have a heavy website, I believe you might be paying a lot. So by saving money, you're basically making money, and I hope this quick tip might help you to save more money in the future. Now if you like this video, do like and subscribe to Shout Me Loud channel. I would see you soon. Bye bye. This is Harsh.